let us welcome to the subject of fluid mechanics. So in this fluid mechanics, we'll start first with the basic concepts. So generally first we'll see what exactly is in a fluid mechanics. So fluid mechanics is a branch of science. You can call it as a branch of science. So it is a branch of science which discusses with the behavior of the fluid. So we generally have behavior of fluids. So the fluids may be in the form of liquid or in the form of gases. So the fluid may be in the form of liquid and gases. So these behavior of fluids such as liquids and gases at rest condition and when they are in motion condition, the both will be discussing. So if you combine this, fluid mechanics is a branch of science which discusses with the behavior of fluids. The fluids may be in the form of liquid or in the form of gases. So these behavior of fluids at rest or as well as in motion. So these behavior of fluids will be in rest condition or in motion condition. So this is the definition, or this is just the basic definition overview of a fluid mechanics. So it is a branch of science which discusses the behavior of fluids, either liquid or gases, at rest or in motion. It is called the fluid mechanics. So now we'll see what is when the fluids are in rest condition, what it is called, when the fluids are in motion condition, what it is called. So generally we have two concepts. So fluids at rest condition, fluids at motion condition. So in the branch of science, when the fluids are at rest condition, those fluids are called static. Those fluids are called static fluids. And when they are in motion, we can have two types of motion. First one is an kinematics and dynamics. So if you look at the definition of static, so the study of fluids at rest condition, those kinds of fluids are called static fluids. So when us coming to the fluids at a motion, so the study of fluids or the pressure forces which are acting when they are in motion are not taken into consideration, those are called kinematics. When the pressure forces acting when the fluids are in motion taken into consideration, those types of fluids are called fluid dynamics. So in motion, pressure forces are not taken into consideration. In dynamics, pressure forces are taken into account. So we have two. So based on fluid mechanics, static we have, kinematics we have, dynamics we have. Static is a type of fluid when the fluids are at rest. Those types of fluids are called static fluids. And the study of fluids in motion, when pressure forces are not considered, then those types of fluids are called kinematics. When pressure forces are taken into consideration, those types of fluids are called fluid dynamics. So these are the basic terminologies. So fluid static we have seen, kinematics we have seen, dynamics we have seen. Now let us discuss the properties of fluids. So generally the basic four properties of fluids are as follows. So we have four basic terminologies. First one is an density, or we can call as mass density also. Another terminology is an mass density. First is an density, or we can call it as a mass density. Second one is an specific weight. Specific weight or weight density also you can call. So first is an density or mass density, second one is an specific weight or weight density, and third one is an specific volume, and fourth one is an specific gravity. So these are the four properties of fluids, very important. Here we are discussing regarding the types of fluids. So the definition will be changed according to an fluids only. So let us discuss the first one. We'll discuss all this four one by one. So let us discuss the first one. So density or mass density. So generally density or mass density of a fluid is defined as the ratio of mass of the fluid to its volume. Understand clearly. So density or mass density is defined as a ratio of mass of fluid to volume. We are talking regarding the properties of fluids. In terms of fluids we are talking, so definition will be changed in terms of fluid. So in general, what is density? Mass by volume, you know that. So in terms of density of fluid we are talking, so here the mass of the fluids by its volume. So mass per unit volume is density, you know it. So generally density or mass density can be denoted by letter rho. The letter is rho. So the rho